Good morning, students. This class we are going to see the lesson electrostatics. First we will see what you have learned in the last class. Remember it? You have calculated the value of electric field equal to what? Electric field. What is the definition of electric field? Force experienced by the unit charge. E value equal to F by Q. Remember the unit? The unit is NC power minus 1. And you are prepared about electric lines of force. It is a imaginary, straight or the curved line. Okay, starting from the positive, end in the negative, never intersect. When you are drawing a tangent line that gives the direction, like that you are prepared. This class you are going to see about electric dipole and its property. Then the next one is electric field due to the dipole. You are going to calculate the value of electric field in the dipole side. Okay. Now the next one. The first one we will see about electric dipole. What is electric dipole here? Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance means that is called electric dipole. One charge I am taking, it is plus Q. The next one is minus Q. This magnitude value is equal, but it is separated by a small distance. Small distance I am taking, this is 2A. Okay, now two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance means that is called what? Electric dipole. The center of positive charge and the center of negative charge never do not coincidence. Okay, so they don't coincidence. You see the diagram? This is a negative charge. This is a positive charge. Now I am taking the distance between both the charges value is equal to 2A. So here also I am representing the distance value is equal to 2A. And few example is here dipole. Dipole example for dipole is water, carbon dioxide, HCl, ammonia, etc. Okay. Now two charges. One I am taking, it is plus Q. Another I am taking, it is minus Q. What is the distance? Remember the distance is represented by 2A. I am going to calculate the value of dipole moment is equal to what? How to calculate the value of dipole moment? Charge multiplied by the distance. Same way, minus Q, the charge multiplied by the distance. Okay, now the dipole moment, what is R plus and R minus here? R plus means it is a position vector with respect to plus Q. R minus means it is a position vector with respect to minus Q. You see the diagram? This is the center of the charge. This is minus Q. The distance is R minus. This plus Q, the distance is equal to R plus. That I am taking in the x-axis side. You are taking in the y-axis or z-axis, whatever, the same only, same procedure only. Okay. Now I am calculating the value of which one? Dipole moment equal to what? So what is the dipole moment here? That joining the line joining the two charges, and it is directed from what? Minus Q to plus Q. What is the formula for dipole moment? Dipole moment is equal to Q multiplied by 2A. You take like that way. The dipole moment is represented by P. P value equal to Q into 2A. Then with the help of the formula easily you will write the definition. What is mean by dipole moment? What is defined dipole moment? With the help of the formula you see the dipole moment is equal to, equal symbol is here. So equal to product of one of the charges and perpendicular distance between them. With the help of the formula now I am giving the unit. What is the unit of charge? Unit of charge is coulomb. What is the unit of distance? Distance is meter. So the unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter. Okay. Now the next one is electric field due to the dipole. So now first case I am taking the electric dipole along the axial line. I am selecting a point along the axial line. So same dipole means what? Now two equivalent charges, equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. The distance is what? 2A. Okay. Now here O is the center of the dipole. Along the axial line, I am taking the point, selecting a point C. C is at a distance or from what? Or from the center of the dipole. With respect to positive charge, you are calculating the value of electric field E plus. With respect to negative charge, I am calculating the value of electric field. Value is represented by E minus. Then total electric field, what means? How I will calculate? I will add these two values. That's all. Okay. Now, electric field in the axial line. You see the electric field formula is equal to, remember, E value equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by R square. What is R? R is a distance. Now I am calculating with respect to the positive charge first. Then what is the distance for the positive charge? The distance is equal to BC. But the distance is not given. You cannot, the value is given directly. How I will calculate? You see, from O to C the distance is equal to R. O to B the distance is value is equal to A. I want BC means I will subtract R minus A. Then I will get BC value equal to. So the formula for the due to the positive charge is electric field value is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by R minus A the whole square. Along which direction you are calculated? In the BC direction you are calculated. This is E plus. Okay. Now dipole moment, how you are calculated? From minus Q to plus Q. Okay. So E Q value equal to I am calculated. Now this value multiplied by which one? The unit vector value is given. What is unit vector? Unit vector means the magnitude value equal to 1. Okay. Now electric field due to the minus Q I am calculating. When I am calculating minus Q means the distance is from A to C value equal to, till P O to C the value is equal to R I know. The remaining is A. Then what I will do? I want add both the values. So AC value equal to, I will get A plus R or R plus A. Substitute in the electric field formula side. What is the formula for electric field? Electric field value is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by R square. Now the distance R square is AC square. AC value is equal to R plus A. So E minus value is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by R plus A the whole square. Here minus sign is there because due to the negative charge you are calculating. Then I want total charge value equal to what? I will add both the values, electric field due to the positive charge, electric field due to the negative charge. Substitute the value. You are going to take the common denominator. Okay, LCM. So which is common here first side? 1 by epsilon 0. Second term also 1 by epsilon 0 is there. So you take 1 by epsilon 0 outside. Q is also both the sides same. I am taking Q also outside. Inside the bracket 1 divided by R minus A the whole square minus 1 divided by R plus A the whole square. Take LCM, cross multiply. Here I will get R plus A the whole square is the first term. R minus A the whole square is the second term. Denominator side R minus A the whole square multiplied by R plus A the whole square. Expand the first term with the help of the formula A plus B the whole square formula. Second one A minus B the square formula. Then the denominator side you know A plus B into A minus B formula. A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. So I am using these formulas here. Now, when you are using the formula, what happens? Q by epsilon 0 is common, that is outside. This is A plus B the whole square formula. This is A minus B the whole square formula. Denominator side also expanded. So you see R square, here minus of R square, both the value cancel. Here A square minus of A square value cancel. So what is the remaining in the numerator side? Here plus 2AR is here, minus of minus 2AR is here. That means minus into minus is plus. So 2AR plus 2AR, then what answer I will get? 4RA or 4AR I will get. Okay, now the denominator side A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square the whole square. Okay, now you see Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 4AR or A divided by r square minus a square the whole square. When I am comparing to the distance r, a is very less. What is r? From the center of the dipole to which point you are selecting on the axial line, that is r. But a is what? A is center of the dipole to which point? The dipole, the positive or the negative charge, that distance. The distance is very less. So you are neglecting r square plus minus a square the whole square value is, you are assuming that value is approximately equal to r square. When it is approximately equal to r square, you are neglecting the term. A square means what happens this side? I will get the formula E value equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 4AR divided by r square square I will get. R square square means what? R power 4 I will get. So the denominator side 1 r, the numerator side 1 r cancel. Then the denominator side r I will get r power 3. So E total value is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 4AQ divided by r power 3 into the unit vector. Now you know the dipole moment formula equal to 2AQ. Okay. So now I am splitting this 4 into 2 into 2. So 2, 1, 2 and AQ into unit vector is replaced by the dipole moment P. So the answer for E total in the axial line is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2p divided by r power 3. Okay. So the electric field act in the direction of the dipole moment. Now, the next case, in the equatorial line, you are calculating the value of dipole moment. You see the diagram? Same way. This is minus q, this is plus q. The dipole equal and opposite charges are separated by a small distance. The distance value is equal to 2a. Now you are selecting a point along the which line? In the equatorial line side you are calculating. The distance is same. A value r is represented here r. So r here, no changes in that side. Due to the positive charge I am calculating the value of electric field. Same way due to the negative charge I am calculating the value of electric field. You see both the field are not coincident. So that means what? That is resolved into two components. Okay, so now it is resolved into two components means how it is resolved into two components. One is parallel to the axis, dipole axis. Another one is perpendicular to the dipole axis. You see the perpendicular one plus sine theta and minus sine theta cancel. Only the parallel value that added up. The parallel value added up means total value of the electric field E value equal to E plus cos theta plus E minus cos theta. So when I am calculating E total means I will get 2E cos theta. Okay, the next step I will calculate what is the value of cos theta and I will substitute in this side. And you know the formula for E value equal to what? Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. This r is a distance. Okay, that also you are going to calculate now. So when I am adding these two values here, I will get E plus and E minus. Both the values are equal because it is an equatorial triangle. Both the distance are equal here. So one is A, one is B and this is C I am taking. So this distance and this distance, both the values are equal. So 2 times I am getting r square plus a square in this side. Now how I am getting this r square, the distance value equal to r square plus a square in the denominator side? Let's see that. Okay, now I am taking the diagram. You see I want BC value equal to what and AC value equal to what. So I am taking the right angle triangle, applying the Pythagoras theorem. AOC, okay, and BOC, both are right angle triangle, both the triangles are equal. I want AC or BC value equal to what? How I will calculate? AC square value equal to OA square plus OC square. Okay, that is only given here. AC square value equal to, substitute the value, A square plus R square. So A square plus R square. I want AC means what? Square root of A square plus R square. AC and BC both the values are equal. So BC value also A square plus R square. So when you substitute in the formula side, the total electric field value is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2q sin theta divided by r square plus a square. This is a unit vector. Okay, now I want to substitute the value of cos theta here. How to calculate the value of cos theta? You see the diagram? Cos theta. Cos means what? Adjacent divided by the hypotenuse value. Adjacent is OA or AO. Divided by the hypotenuse value is AC. What is AO or ROA? The value is equal to A. Divided by what is the value of AC? Previous step you are calculated. The value is equal to R square plus A square. It is inside the square root. Otherwise I will write power 1 by 2. Okay, substitute the value here. Then what answer I will get? The answer is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 2q divided by r square plus a square multiplied by the cos theta value is what? A divided by r square plus a square power 1 by 2. You see the power? Here power 1 is here. This side power 1 by 2 is there. 1 plus 1 by 2, what answer I will get? I will get 3 by 2. So the equatorial line, the electric field value is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 2qa divided by r square plus a square power 3 by 2, and p cap is a unit vector. You know that 2qa value equal to into p vector value equal to what? It is a dipole moment p. So the next step I am going to replace that. So E total value is equal to, I will get 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 p vector dipole moment divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 r power 3. Same way, I am assuming the value R value is very greater than A means. You see how I am getting this? I am assuming R value is very greater than means the denominator side R square power 3 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. I will get only R power 3 in the denominator side. So this is the value of E total in which side? In the equatorial line side. So electric field act in which direction? Act in the opposite direction of the dipole moment. Okay. Now the next one. I am comparing the E axial value and E equatorial line value. Remember what is the value of E axial? E axial, the total electric field value is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 2p divided by r power 3. E equatorial line electric field value is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 p divided by r power 3. So when you are comparing, E axial value is equal to 2 times of E equatorial. Okay. Point charge. Point charge also you are calculated the value of electric field. Remember the formula? 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by r square. So point charge side, the electric field is inversely proportional to square of the distance. But for the dipole, the electric field is inversely proportional to cube of the distance. It is in the axial line also, it is inversely proportional to cube of the distance. Equatorial line you are selecting the point also, that is inversely proportional to cube of the distance. Okay. So the electric field value is going on, the very greater value goes to 0, then it is faster than the electric field value due to the point charge. Dipole value is goes to 0, distance value goes to 0 faster than the point charge value. Okay, so this is the value of electric field of the dipole in the equatorial line. Only I will assume R value is very greater, only I will neglect the term A square. Okay, that also remember it. Now 2A, when the value is 2A value is approaching, the value is 0 and Q value is equal to approaching infinity means the electric dipole moment value is equal to Q multiplied by 2A. This dipole is called point dipole. Okay, so remember till that what you are prepared with the help of the Coulomb's law, you are calculated the value of force. Compare and learn. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is the formula for which one? Coulomb's law. And you are calculated the value of electric field due to the dipole. The formula is a point charge. The formula is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q divided by R square. Now same way you have calculated the value of electric field due to the dipole along the axial line means the formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2p divided by r power 3. In the equatorial line means E value equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 p divided by r power 3. In this class you have learned about dipole and dipole moment. Then you have calculated the value of electric field due to the dipole in axial line and along the equatorial line. Revise the portion, write the test in your classwork notebook. Thank you, students.